Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the psychology of wealth and how your mindset affects your finances. Money is a subject that affects all of us, so understanding the psychological factors at play can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Before we explore the psychology of wealth, let's establish a fundamental principle: the mindset. Our mindset, or the way we think about money and wealth, significantly impacts our financial well-being. It's not just about earning more. It's about how we perceive, manage, and leverage our resources. Let us now look at these closely. Number 1. Our money beliefs. The first aspect of the psychology of wealth is our money beliefs. Our money beliefs are deeply ingrained in our subconscious and can have a profound impact on our financial outcomes. These beliefs are often formed during our childhood, influenced by our family, upbringing, and societal messages. If we grew up in an environment where money was scarce, we may develop a scarcity mindset. This mindset leads to a constant fear of not having enough, triggering anxiety and a compulsion to hoard money. It becomes challenging to take risks or invest in opportunities because of the underlying belief that money is limited. On the other hand, those with an abundance mindset view money as abundant and see opportunities for growth and prosperity everywhere. They embrace a mindset of abundance, fostering feelings of confidence and openness to taking calculated risks. By examining our money beliefs and consciously working to shift them towards a more empowering perspective, we can transform our financial outcomes and create a healthier relationship with wealth. Number 2. Money habits. Another crucial psychological factor in wealth creation is our money habits. Our money habits can make or break our journey towards wealth creation. Habits are powerful influencers of our financial success or failure. Consider the habit of overspending or impulse buying. Such behaviors can quickly derail our financial progress, leaving us struggling to build wealth. On the other hand, cultivating healthy money habits is crucial for long-term financial stability and wealth accumulation. Budgeting, for instance, helps us gain control over our finances by tracking our income and expenses, ensuring that we allocate funds wisely. Saving regularly allows us to build an emergency fund and invest in our future. Investing wisely enables our money to grow and work for us over time. By consciously developing and reinforcing positive money habits, we can transform our financial trajectory and pave the way towards a prosperous future. Number 3. Our environment. Our environment also plays a vital role in our financial mindset. The environment we surround ourselves with has a significant impact on our financial mindset and success. When we immerse ourselves in a positive and supportive environment, it becomes easier to cultivate a healthy relationship with wealth. Surrounding ourselves with individuals who share our financial goals and values can provide inspiration, motivation, and valuable insights. Mentors and role models who have achieved financial success can guide us on our own path, offering advice, strategies, and encouragement. Additionally, being part of a community of like-minded individuals allows us to exchange ideas, learn from each other's experiences, and hold ourselves accountable. By consciously curating our environment to include positive influences, we create fertile ground for our financial growth and development. It becomes easier to stay focused, motivated, and aligned with our financial aspirations. Number 4. Journaling. Journaling and self-reflection are invaluable practices when it comes to understanding our money mindset and behaviors. By taking the time to write about our financial experiences, we create an opportunity for self-discovery and introspection. Through journaling, we can identify recurring patterns in our financial behaviors, uncover deep-seated money beliefs, and recognize the emotional triggers that influence our financial decisions. This heightened self-awareness allows us to make more conscious choices when it comes to our finances. We can identify areas where we may need to change our habits, challenge limiting beliefs, or seek additional support. Journaling also serves as a record of our progress, reminding us of how far we've come and providing motivation to continue our financial growth journey. Ultimately, through journaling and self-reflection, we can cultivate a healthy money mindset and make better informed financial decisions. Number 5. Growth mindset. A growth mindset regarding wealth views money as abundant and sees opportunities for growth and financial abundance everywhere. A growth mindset towards wealth is a powerful perspective that can shape our financial journey. It involves seeing money as abundant and recognizing the multitude of opportunities available for growth and prosperity. This mindset encourages a continuous process of learning, allowing us to expand our financial knowledge and skills. It also promotes the willingness to take calculated risks, understanding that setbacks are valuable learning experiences. Embracing abundance means cultivating a mindset of gratitude and appreciation for the resources we have, while also remaining open to receiving more. By examining our money beliefs, we can identify any limiting beliefs that hold us back, such as the belief that wealth is only for a select few. Through conscious effort, we can work towards shifting these beliefs to empowering ones that align with our goals and aspirations, unlocking our true potential for financial success. Number 6. Professional help. Finally, seeking professional help, such as that of a financial advisor, can provide valuable guidance and expertise. In our quest for financial success, seeking professional help from a financial advisor can be a game changer. A financial advisor brings a wealth of knowledge, expertise, and experience to the table. They can assist us in setting realistic and achievable financial goals based on our unique circumstances and aspirations. By working closely with a financial advisor, we can create a solid financial plan tailored to our needs, taking into account factors such as income, expenses, debts, and investments. Moreover, a financial advisor acts as a trusted guide who holds us accountable for our financial decisions and actions. They provide valuable insights, monitor our progress, and offer guidance during challenging times. When faced with complex financial situations or investment opportunities, a financial advisor's expertise helps us make informed choices that align with our long-term goals. In essence, partnering with a financial advisor can significantly enhance our financial well-being and increase our chances of attaining lasting wealth. That brings us to the end of our exploration of the psychology of wealth and how your mindset affects your finances. Remember, building wealth goes beyond financial strategies. It starts with cultivating a healthy and empowering mindset. So take a step back, evaluate your beliefs, habits, and surroundings, and make conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.